автобус комфортный, вот все этого видели там, все это бесплатно, без водителя. Первый раз мы здесь первый раз, и этого остров финансов тоже высшего уровня построены. Мы хотим еще в городе подключаться.
I was impressed about the fast charging that we saw at the center, and I was really impressed about the connectivity that you have on these roads. You need 5G to run this, and you have it. I was wondering how many recycles you could do in this way, so the sustainability of the battery has to be really impressive to realize such performances. And secondly, as I said, the connectivity that you have on these roads here to realize this autonomous bus services is really good. It's really advanced in the world, I think.
Превосходные чувства, очень понравилось. Видно, что технологии 5G, такие как технологии как 5G, также беспилотные автобусы тестируются, и мы сами видим глазами, как они ездят. Это будущее, можно сказать, которым мы с вами являемся свидетелями.
Впечатлило очень такое радостное. Идем вперед в будущее. Очень рады быть одни из первых на таком пилотном проекте, поучаствовать, посмотреть.
It was very impressive. I think the technology has evolved a lot in the bus, and having that experience of riding on an autonomous bus was really impressive. You felt safe, you felt stable. Yeah, looking forward to have the technology around the world. I think what impressed me the most was seeing the bus entering the depot and reverse parking into the spot without a driver. That was quite amazing.
I think it needs to be implemented within the whole city. You know, it's very green, it's very smooth, you know, and it's very intelligent. I wish, you know, Yutong go further, implement this, you know, and hoping that we're gonna have this kind of project later, you know, in all over the city in China and also in Africa. Why not in all over the world?
Yutong, better bus, better life.
Better bus, better life.
Yutong, better bus, better life.
Better bus, better life.